Little Mix fans are all saying the same thing as the girls gear up for their final show tonight. Jade Thirlwall, Leigh-Anne, Pinnock and Perrie Edwards will go their separate ways after playing London's O2 Arena, and their supporters have made their feelings clear. 2. Little Mix will go their separate ways after a final show at London's O2 Arena tonightCredit, Georgie Gibbon / Shutterstock. The group posted a montage of clips from the confetti tour so far on Instagram, and added, "We can't believe tomorrow is the final show of the confetti tour, crying face, where has the time gone?" Emotional fans were quick to reply that they aren't ready for Jade, 29, Leigh, 30, and Perrie, 28, to go off and pursue solo careers. One wrote, "Wait, I'm not ready yet, very face." Another said, "I thought you girls think this is but it's not a time to party. We're broken, crying face." And a third added, "Can't believe it's nearly all over, crying face, crying face, crying face, heart, 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 heart." Last month the Sun broke the news that Jade was on the cusp of signing a lucrative deal with RCA Music, and later told how she'll drop her surname in a bid for solo stardom. A source said, "Jade is going all out to make sure her solo career takes off." After talks with bosses, she's decided the name revamp is the way to go and will be dropping her surname to simply be known as Jade moving forward. Meanwhile, the Welcome Twins with fiancé Andre Gray in August last year, has signed a bumper deal with Warner Music, the home of Dua Lipa, Ed Sheeran, and Madonna, as also revealed by The Sun. And we told how Perrie is set to earn billions following the launch of her lifestyle brand Zora. Earlier this month the girls spoke to The Sun in their final interview as a group, assuring fans that they will be back. Perrie said, "Honestly, we haven't even parted ways yet and we're already talking about when we're coming back. We're like, is 2 years away enough? 2 and a bit years?" 2. But Perrie, Leigh and Jade have insisted to bring blonde people in her credit, Jeff Spicer / Getty Images.